Hello, I'm Julie, and today I just don't care. I'm here in my Corona fashion, and yeah, you have to live with it. Because I wasn't finishing one of my bigger projects, I just want to show you some small things I did in the last time, and also I have some things I've thrifted. So it's a bit of a mishmash. I have some fabrics I want to show you. I thrifted the last 2 or 3 weeks. For them, I already have an idea, and I will just make kind of a slideshow. And the other thing is that I finally finished one skirt of mine. It was a UFO, unfinished object. Yeah, I finished it and I wanted to show you, and I want to also thank a pocket full of posies for posting her UFO video because that got me going. And so now I have a finished skirt now. Details a bit later. Right now my wizards are not with me. It's a bit strange, but yeah, they do vacation without me, and I think they will be back in, I don't know, a few weeks. When I was at home at my parents' place, I already started a video about my U.F.O.s. I repaired a couple of things, and also I decided that some projects are a bit more than just quick fixes. The skirt I finished yesterday was originally a dress from Emily and Finn, not sponsored. I bought it in a small boutique in Munich years ago. I couldn't find exactly the same dress in the internet, so I show you some similar shape. And unfortunately, the dress wasn't fitting very well, and so I chopped it off in the middle. The print, for my taste, looked a little bit too modern, so I decided to embroider it a bit. I don't care how it looks on the inside. Also, I added a little button that the zipper isn't opening. It's always a good idea to add lace. And now I will stop talking and just show you some outfits I created. Sorry, I'm in a silly mood.